Ooh, oh, ooh, that's good. Hey, hold on. What's that? That Dr. Pepper? That's that Dr. Pepper.
I say that I'm through, but this song is still for you. Now all I want is love that lasts. Is all I want, too much to ask. Is it so?
Oh, dang, Minnie. Oh!
Hi. Did you think you got left? You're okay.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low, and put some music on that's soft and slow. And baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope
I just wanna feel something, I just wanna feel. I just wanna feel something, I just wanna feel something really real, so that I can really feel like a person again.
Stranger. Still don't know my name.
That's what I'm talking about, son.
What you got there?
Big old ball chair.
God damn it again. Woman, get yourself up here to this bedroom so we can have ourselves another redneck baby.
Yeah, wow, you smell really good. Hey, man, I don't know. You ain't my mama. Hey, what the fuck is going on? Oh, hell no! Get the fuck away from my pig!
Always good to double check. Let's start with the small claw. That's... Ooh. Whoa, guys. Okay. You just saw exactly what happens in the wild. I promise you're going to have to believe me that I was not putting pressure on that claw. All right, can you measure both these claws, Amanda, and show everybody that this claw is a keeper? So we already know this one's a keeper. That's a keeper right there. This one's definitely This one is also clearly a keeper claw. And here's our crab. We're gonna go ahead and send our crab home, but you guys were able to just now witness what these guys do in the wild. So if they ever feel distressed or like, I'm sorry, I can't lie. Okay, I'm gonna get this crab home. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Krabs. Thanks for the dinner.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. I wouldn't do for you.
We stick together and can see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy, and as the years go by, our friendship will never.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my
I started feeding the lizards that stay on my porch. Eventually, I gained their trust, and they brought their friends as well. Not all were as patient as others. Sometimes they had to work for it. She must think I forgot about her. I think we're all friends now.
I'm sure we could all use a pick-me-up as quarantine gets longer and longer. So let's say hi to some cats.
Hi, Tracker. Hi, Zane. Oh. Good morning, Tundra. Hi, Pichu. Hi. Good morning, Archer. Hi, River. Hi, Grumpy Con. Good morning, Juba. Good morning, Turk. Where you going? What you doing? Good morning, Raina.
His last foster mom accidentally taught him this. He won't move after a diaper change unless you go, you're all done.